After a night of soft rain, the farm glistens under the morning sun. Puddles shine like mirrors, and the dirt path leading from the barn to the gate squishes beneath every hoof and claw. Gracie the goat hops through one puddle, laughing as mud splashes around her hooves.
Looks like the farm turned into a racetrack.
I bet I can crow my way to the finish line before you even reach the gate.
Their excitement draws a small crowd. Luna the duck waddles up, Hazel the horse flicks her tail, and Milo the cow slowly ambles over, curious.
The race starts here and ends at the fence post. No shortcuts, no flying, and no pushing.